I have no experience in New Zealand, but internationally, I have got experience in other countries and the values because this Professor has already sent a lot of students to New Zealand. Now they have graduated and they are professionals, qualified professionals with quality. Now their services also we can get through this to Sri Lanka. This is one idea. And also they are becoming New Zealanders. The quality is there. In Sri Lankan background is not up that developed because we say we are a developing country forever. I don't know when we are going to develop. But anyway, the basic idea, because we have a good crowd here, I did not address His Excellency is here, and the delegates and other principals, especially students, all are here. Why, I have to explain why research is important. People talk about research, but they never talk about development. There's another issue in this country. Research and development is like two sides of a coin. No point of talking about research if we don't use it for development. Sometimes it will be used later, not at the beginning. Then R&D, that's why we always say R&D, not research. And again, industry, we have another issue because we talk about industry, but we don't know what is industry. Industry is application of knowledge, is a technology. Technology is there, application of knowledge in industry is the technology. Then industries, in a simple way, Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, there are several meanings. Relevant one to us is production and marketing. We have big problem. We talk about production, development, research, but marketing, we never think about it. It is given to another group. The other group, those who are doing marketing, they don't know about the research and development. This gap is a huge problem because without targeting the market, no point of going for investing money for R&D. There should be a market. If there's no market, we should be able to develop a market. That is very important. Unfortunately, those who are trained in science and technology fields, they don't know market. Traditional system is this, but GISM, I noticed all the subjects are there, business, development and marketing. At the same time, technology and all are there. It's New Zealand system, I think. So we have to clarify because we need experience from New Zealand. When we get this experience, we have to work together. That's why we need this forum to share our experience, and New Zealand can get a lot of data. It means this country slightly different from New Zealand. We have all the climates, New Zealand also the same climates, but we need to share our experience. Valuable for both countries, and especially postgraduate students of New Zealand can come here and at a low cost, they can do research here. Because here cost is not so much as in New Zealand. Our students also can work with them here. That's the advantage. Here we have teachers, principals, and other industrialists. Industry is the most important thing. Because without talking about industry and also without talking about entrepreneurship, because we have chairman of the NEDA, National Entrepreneurship Development Board. Because if you don't go for entrepreneurship, so there won't be development. So all these are interconnected, especially research, R&D, entrepreneurship. Because now future generation should be exposed. Otherwise, we can't have a change. That's why we invited students. Now students can see how other countries work. The idea is going to another country is not only to get a degree. They should know they are going to another country to get experience in all areas. Not only subject matter, not a degree. How to live as a decent citizen. That's the main part. All these are given by the education, science and technology, or whatever it is. Education is only one part of the life. To be a great citizen, good citizen is the number one. So we can work with New Zealand as a developed country. We want to share with New Zealand experience and Sri Lankan experience also. We can see how to use all these experience and have a good generation for the future, because we have to think about the future. If we get a good generation for the future through education, with all modern systems, R&D, industry, technology, all the subjects are there, then we can think about peaceful country and peaceful countries in this future. We are very happy. This region is peaceful now. If you go to Europe, we are not sure what will happen. But in this region, Sri Lanka, Australia, New Zealand, we have peace. We must maintain that peace somehow, and for that purpose we need education to be done very well, to develop ethical citizens. Ethical citizen is number one. If you don't produce ethical scientists, ethical businessmen, then there's no use of education.